Today we're going to get up close and personal with one of my favorite wild edibles, the ditch lily or orange daylily. Okay, here we go. What do you think, Ash?
I don't know. It's gonna taste like the Captain Crunch I just ate, so I don't really know.
What do you think, Jared? Does it taste like peas? I think it tastes like peas.
Definitely not that.
A little bit of asparagus.
That makes me gag.
Kind of.
The aftertaste is weird. I like it.
Before blossoms, you can tell the daylily by its grass-like leaf clusters. Each of the blossoms will have 6 petals. You can harvest these blossoms and eat them raw in salads or right from the plant. For starters, we're just going to harvest some of these blossoms to enjoy. For this salad with daylily, I've mixed up some strawberry vinaigrette, and I'm going to drizzle that on generously and just enjoy this. These blossoms are fantastic uncooked and in a salad. A little bit nutty, a pea-like flavor. So next we're going to try these sauteed. We're just going to use olive oil and butter and a little bit of salt. As you can hear when you hit that pan is nice and hot. It's going to wilt these very quickly. Here. So these are sauteed in butter and coconut oil, generously salted, and I still get a hint of the sweet pea flavor, maybe asparagus, but it's completely delicious.
Okay, maybe they're not terrible, but I don't like sweet peas, and that's what they taste like.
But you would say it is edible?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So as you can see, the children weren't particularly impressed, but these really are delicious, and they've moved into the top 5 of my favorite wild edibles. And there's nothing distasteful about them. They're a little bit sweet, a little bit earthy, maybe a sweet pea / asparagus flavor. But please give them a try raw, give them a try cooked. I think you'll like it. Next, we're going to dehydrate some of these and try some traditional Asian dishes where this blossom really shows off.